What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. So here is the Targus Seoul 15 bag review. Literally I quite love it. This bag is a quite spacious bag. I put my laptop inside, 15-inch laptop inside, which cost me around $2,500 laptop. This is my laptop, as you can see. Gigabyte Aero 15 OLED. it have a lot of pockets, so here I just put my like a flip phone, like a hard drive, SD card stuff, and here and this one you can use for the hand carry or a luggage, but I put my yellow raincoat, as you can see. And here what I put here nothing I put. Here's my umbrella, and here's my thermos, milk tea. Okay, and here I put my pen and my phone power bank. Okay, so after clothing, the best thing is that this bag is very light. Personally, I like to carry a canvas bag. Even though a canvas bag is mostly like a gent sport bag, I like to carry like a bag which is light. I don't like to carry a heavy laptop bag. Most of the laptop bags are bad. This is quite good laptop bag, to be honest with you. I really very much like it. Let me show you. Okay, you can see, to be honest with you. Let me wear and show you how good I look. So right now you are looking at me. You need to be the judge how good I'm looking. Yeah, okay, let me. Okay, and now it's better. Yeah, you need to be the judge how good I'm looking. To me it seems quite good, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, it seems quite good to me. Yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the bag. So I will say, this is a quite good backpack, and this is a must buy if you're looking for something good, lightweight. Yeah, look here. What else do you want? Yeah, what else do you want? It's an amazing lightweight bag. Yeah, I can continue talking about. Yeah, the downside, the build quality is not that good. I will making another different video what I'm going to use for more than 1 week and going to give you my opinion. But right now it's a quite good bag. I will just say that, yeah, the build quality is quite not up to the mark, but it's lightweight, it's spacious. You have a lot of pocket inside. What else you want? Subscribe and buy. The link will be in the description box below. Bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي